In this tutorial, we will use Paxata's point-and-click capabilities to quickly find patterns, gaps, anomalies, and other data quality issues, as well as assess data consistency and completeness of your data. Prior to applying transformations or filters to the data, you may have certain expectations of the data content and its quality. For example, the key attributes should be fully populated, clean, and standardized to allow for complete and accurate reporting. You may also need to confirm that there are no mismatched data types or unexpected outliers which could impact the processing in downstream systems. Let's begin by highlighting patterns, spaces, and ranges within the data preview grid to get some at-a-glance insight. We now see the following. The email column contains some null values. The city and state or province columns appear in mixed case, which indicates this data is not fully standardized, and we should look at the population of all the different values to confirm consistency before we perform any segmentation and further analysis on the dataset. The country values reveal another data consistency issue. We now see there is trailing white space for some of the values, as indicated by the gold bar at the right end of the cell. We will need to review the contents of this column further to assess the extent of this problem. The numeric range highlighting helps us get a sense for the range of values reflected in the age column. Looks like 18 is the minimum value, and a value less than 80 or so is the max. Lastly, we have a data sparsity issue on the age and gender columns. We see blank values and may need to take action by populating them or filtering them out. These initial insights give us an overall sense of the data quality issues and patterns we have at hand. To enable further analysis and a more complete understanding of the data, we can generate a data filtergram on any column in this dataset. Filtergrams give you an interactive view of the entire data content by combining the power of filters for selecting subsets of your data with the intelligence of histograms for visualizing your data before, during, and after every transformation. Open filtergrams on any column you'd like to profile and validate for data quality and consistency. A filtergram is generated by hovering over the downward-facing triangle in the column header area and selecting Filter Values from the Column Operations menu. Given the insights we gained earlier, let's take a closer look at the state or province column, the country column, and the age column. We now learn the following. There are 70 unique values for state or province represented in this dataset. The trailing white space issue results in what is technically 4 different country values. Looking at the age filtergram, we see the actual min and max when we hover over the filtergram. We also learn the extent of sparsity in this column by looking at the proportion of the data quality bar, which is gray as compared to green. We are able to easily filter on the blank values as well as just those values which conform with the data type, which in this case is numeric. We would see red for any values which are represented as a different data type in Paxata, and another button would appear here labeled Other, which we could filter as well in order to change the data type or to remove the unconformed values altogether from our project workflow. Furthermore, you are able to sort, swap the value count to percentage, perform a full text search, and more to facilitate your data discovery as well as your filtering itself. Filtering is useful for segmenting your data or for setting a precondition for a column transformation or computed column. Refer to the Data Filters article in the Help shelf to learn more about the built-in capabilities of the different types of filtergrams. In the next tutorial, we will take action on the data quality insights we gained as we explored this dataset and fix or resolve them using Paxata's cleansing and transformation capabilities.